Welcome back everyone. We were talking about lists in our last lecture and we are going to continue doing that. Now, if you want to make an empty list, all you have to do is type in the list name. For this example, it's empty equal to opening and closing brackets and don't write any element inside it. Now this is how we make an empty list. Alright, so now that is out of the way, we are going to learn about list operations. This is an example of the addition operator. So what will happen in this case? We are changing the colors list into colors list plus these two elements. So now if we print colors, what will happen? Let's see. And check out the output. Our first list was red, yellow, blue, green and violet. Our second list was red, yellow, blue, green, violet, white and orange. That means by using the plus operator, you can add more elements to your list. So what this line of code does is that it will update our variable colors to colors plus, that means already elements inside the list, plus two new elements, that is white and orange. So the plus operator can be used to combine the elements of a list. Just like in our string operator, where we combined different words using our plus operator, we can combine elements of a list using the plus operator. Very cool, isn't it? So that is all about operations on strings. Now in our next lecture, we will talk more about lists. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.